Good morning, everyone. We are going to start with speaking activity number 6. We are going to rank some states that are in the United States of America. I've given you a piece of paper for your groups. I want you to begin by writing your name on your paper. Make sure that you put your name on your paper that you have for your group. Let's look at some vocabulary for this speaking activity. The first word is rank. Rank is to assign to a particular position, station, class, etc. So we put things in order. For instance, we rank the states from biggest to smallest. Or we could say we rank the runners from fastest to slowest. Another word for our activity today is size. Size is how big or small something is. How big or small something is. I could say the size of my shirt is small. I could say the size of my hat is large. So I have 3 different stuffed animals, 3 different sizes. We could rank these by size. Biggest, smallest. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Biggest, smallest. Number 1, number 2, number 3. I ranked these stuffed animals by size. For your speaking activity today, you will rank these states on your paper from biggest size 1 to smallest size 6. So let's look at these state names. You will rank the size of New Mexico. You will rank the size of Texas. You will rank the size of California. You will rank the size of Montana. You will rank the size of Alaska. You will rank the size of Arizona. So in your group, you will talk about which state is the biggest, number 1, and which state's size is the smallest, number 6. Again, which state is biggest, number 1, in size? Which state is smallest, number 6, in size? That is for New Mexico, Texas, California, Montana, Alaska, and Arizona. I have some strategies to help your speaking and group discussion. I have some suggestions for you as you get started talking with one another to rank the size of these states. So you might ask another person, which state is the biggest? You might respond, I think that Montana is the biggest. You might ask, which state is the smallest? You might respond, I think that California is the smallest. You might ask, which state is number 1, the biggest? You might respond, I think that Alaska is number 1? You might ask, which state is number 6, the smallest? You might respond, I think that Arizona is number 6. You might say, I don't think that Texas is the smallest. You might respond, you're right. Texas is number 5. So I'm going to let you all begin working in your groups to rank these states by size from 1 to 6, biggest to smallest. Please raise your hand if you need help. I will help you. I will walk around your groups and assist as you need help. When we are done, we will discuss your rankings and we will compare your rankings to the true rankings. I have the rankings of these states of size, from biggest to smallest, and we will look at the map of these states. I'll show you where they are on the map, and we'll also look at a few pictures from the states so you can identify, what each state might look like. Not only on the map, but how different places look in each state. When we're done also, we'll discuss a little bit about some of the things I heard that were really good. Some things that you said and you were discussing that were working very well. And then we'll also talk about some things that we can improve and practice some things that we can correct and make better. Okay? All right, please begin.